If you are looking for the best lawn mower blades, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Maxpower 561713XB. The Maxpower 561713X Mulching 2-blade set comprises 2 mulching lawn mower blades, each 21 inches in length, to provide a total cutting area of 42 inches. The star-shaped mounts of these blades ensure that they are compatible with all larger models of Poulan, Husqvarna, or Craftsman lawn mowers, while the serrated design of the lawn mower blades provides a high level of mulching power, making them a great replacement for other mulching blades or an ideal option for converting a lawn mower to grant mulching power. Number 2. Toro 22 inches Recycler Mower Replacement Blade 59534P. Designed to fit Toro lawn mowers, the Toro 22 inches Recycler Mower Replacement Blade is a valuable replacement blade that's worth considering for any user of larger Toro mowers. Toro lawn mowers can be challenging to find replacement parts. The Toro 22 inches Recycler Mower Replacement Blade is longer than most available models of lawn mower blades, and therefore increases the cutting area of any lawn mower large enough to house a blade longer than 21 inches in length. This is a sharp, strong blade that promises high performance and an efficient mow. Number 3. MTD 9420741A Replacement Mulching Blade. The MTD 9420741A is a replacement mulching blade for the Cub Cadet 300 and Cub Cadet 900 series pushable lawnmowers. The only exception is that it doesn't work with cast aluminium decks. This 21 inches deck cut length mulching blade is not only good enough for the 1995 MTD versions but also with the newer versions models as well. The center of the blade is star-based and is probably one of the very few replacement mulching blades that comes with a warranty. This blade has a 90-day warranty window for any defects found in the material or in the workmanship of the blade. Number 4. Oregon 598629 Gator G521 and 3/16 Mulching Blades. These blades fit on different brands such as Cub Cadet, MTD, White, Ward's, Yardman, and Troy Built. Inside the edges of the blades is an infused layer of tungsten carbide for a stronger, longer, more durable life. These blades will only fit on top of 6 pointed star mounts. They won't go over 5 pointed stars nor will they sit tight in circular mounts. The reinforcement over the blade is highly effective, requiring less effort to maintain. You don't have to sharpen it as often as other blades. Number 5. Ego Power Plus AB2101 High Lift Blade. The Ego Power Plus AB2101 High Lift Blade is one of the best high lift mower blades available for Ego Power Plus lawn mowers. Its standard 21-inch blade length provides a high level of cutting area compatible with most Ego Power Plus lawn mowers. The blade comes pre-sharpened, ensuring a clean, easy cut with no sharpening required before use. Its high-lift blade's design helps to funnel grass clippings into the storage bag of Ego Power Plus lawn mowers for easy disposal. The edges have a slight upward curve, you will have a nice even cut.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.